Hey guys, if you're trying to email X, or formerly Twitter, you cannot go ahead and get an email address because the way they operate is you come here at help.x.com and then forward slash, English, forward slash forms, right? You come here and you need to select a topic where you are facing this problem, and then they'll ask you to fill in a form. Maybe you're having problem with locked and suspended account issues. I'll go ahead and click on this, right? And I will be able to appeal right here. So it says I'm currently not logged in, right? Or logged on an X account that is not suspended or locked. So what you have to do is log out, log into your account that is suspended, right? Do the same thing. So if you have another problem, so let me go back to the forms page and select another one. Let's say you need help reporting harassment or threats. Can come to this form. Explain the issue you're having. There's a drop down. Maybe your private content is being posted and who that content belongs to. Maybe it belongs to you. And then you just log in to your account, right? To go ahead and do this, I can come here, click on sign in. It'll redirect me to this page, or I can go ahead and log in. So I'll go ahead and sign in with my Google account. And after you're logged in, you'll be able to see your X username, your email address. You can go ahead and add your signature, right? And then choose what is applicable to you here, the username of the account you're reporting, and the content. Give the exact link. You can add more links as well. Give more details about what's happening. Then you can go ahead and click on submit. There are also other different forms as well. You can go ahead and choose what is applicable for you, but they do not have an actual email to go ahead and contact. This is the only way.